Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make crab masala. This goes well with plain rice.
I'm heating up some gingelly oil, about 3 tablespoons, because this is seafood item, so you have to put some mustard seed. So once the mustard splatter, I'm going to put the next quarter teaspoon fenugreek. I'm going to put this whole spice, 2 cardamom, 3 cloves. I'm going to add small red onion, about 6 of them. I'm going to add in some curry leaves. This is frozen curry leaves. 1 cup of chopped red onion. Saute until they get translucent. To help it cook further, I'm going to put in a bit salt. So when you're cooking this kind of dish, gingelly oil is the best, or you can use coconut oil. This is going to take a while. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add in a bit more of the oil, about 4 tablespoons of gingelly oil. So the crab cooks fast. It's just that I want to make sure all the spices cooked well before I put in the crab. I'm using about half a kg, about slightly more than 1 pound of crab. I'm going to add in some spices. 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon fennel, 1 teaspoon pepper, black pepper pounded, and 3 teaspoon meat curry masala. You can use meat curry masala or just combine masala curry or fish curry masala. For tomato, I'm going to use tomato sauce. It's not the tomato sauce from the bottle, it's something different. So I'll show you what I'm going to use. I'm using this tomato sauce. So I'm going to put in about half a cup first. Half a cup. So don't use the Maggi tomato sauce or any other. It should be this kind of a container. Hunt brand or any other. Just it's not the bottle tomato sauce. You must get the tin tomato sauce. So I'm going to let it boil, and it should come to the oil have to break. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of black cumin powder. This is optional. You don't have to add. So I'm just waiting for the oil to break. Then I'll pour some water, some lime juice. So it all depends on your the masala that you put, the 2 teaspoon of masala. If it's spicy, it may reduce because this is not spicy. So if you want it to be more spicy, you can add in more of the black pepper and chili powder, but I'm not going to add in. I'm going to keep it as this. So as you can see, I'm not using so much of oil, so it is getting okay. So I'm going to put in the crab and the lime juice. These are the crab. It's going to be dry, so I'm just going to. So only putting the claws and the body. I already break the claws so that the juice will go in. Now I'm going to pour in 1 cup of water. I'm going to close this and simmer. So the salt earlier, I just put a little bit, about half a teaspoon. I'm going to put in slightly more now. I'm going to put in about 1 teaspoon. Going to let this simmer. And in between, when you're simmering, you have to stir in to make sure that it doesn't get burned at the base. I forgot to put in juice, about 1 tablespoon. Lime juice, about 1 tablespoon. I think I'll put in the juice and I put in the legs. It's quite okay. Let's stir in one more time. I'm not going to put the heat high. It's going to be medium and low. It's been 4 minutes. I'm increasing the heat. I want the gravy to be thick. So, and I don't want to like overcook the crab. So the crab, like 15 minutes should be fine. So, but I only started with 10 minutes. So I'm just going to let the thing evaporate. I decided to put back the legs. This is quite a big crab. This is not the flower crab thing, but it doesn't really like turn to pinkish color. The slightly pink it becomes, but not so pinkish. And if you were to use the tomato sauce, the taste is very nice because the tomato sauce does have some ingredients like garlic powder, onion powder, tomato puree, and tomato juice. So the crab does cook very fast. So by breaking their claws, the juice will go in. So I'm just going to saute until I get the dry texture. I'm going to pause the recording and I'll come back. When it cools down, the crab will the gravy will be thickened. The crab is turning pink. It's done. I'm going to let it cool down for 5 minutes and I'll plate. So the crab and the gravy. Usually this is how we'll have them, with white rice. Try, share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. I shall see you in my next upload. Bye.